Hey guys, oh my gosh, I am so tired today. My feet are swelling up. I'm really pregnant. I am, I'm 35 weeks pregnant according to my doctor, and 38 weeks pregnant according to my radiologist. So, yeah, if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Monica. I have two teenage sons, 13 and 17, and I didn't think I could make babies anymore, and here I am pregnant with my daughter. So, if you feel like subscribing and seeing how that journey is gonna unfold, feel free. In today's video, I finally finished my table and my chairs, which I'm really excited. It turned out so beautiful. So if you guys want to see how I did it, instead of going out and buying a farmhouse table, you know how much that would cost. So I just I used what I have or what I had. I didn't go out and buy anything new, but even if you did go out and buy something new, like to do a project like I did, it would still be a lot cheaper than going out and buying a table that looks the way that I made this table look. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let me start out by saying that this was a wood table and wood chairs, and I actually painted them a long time ago, meaning to do this project a long time ago, and just now I'm getting to it. So if you have a wood table and stuff, you can go ahead and paint it white if you want to start out. And right here, I'm adding my paints together. I am using this nutmeg brown. It's acrylic paint, and then I actually have leftover chalkboard paint that's obviously black, and I just mixed those together. I used what I have, black and brown, to get like a dark brown color. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to take that brown and lightly just make brush strokes all over. And originally I had thought that like I could just like do this and that would be the farmhouse table look that I wanted, but I end up actually going over, like I go heavy with the brown eventually, and then I go over it with white, and then you guys will see how I do this. It came out beautiful. So if you guys just keep watching, you will see how easy this was.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you.
Right here, I'm just wiping down the chair. I didn't show this on the other chair, but I do this to all the chairs. I wipe whatever dirt, because my dogs go outside and come in and shake. So I'm wiping all the stuff off, so when I go over it with the paint, it doesn't like seep through, because I've had that happen and it is not fun. It makes you feel like you just wasted all your time. So I recommend wiping it down. I just used warm water and a tiny bit of dish soap, and that's all. But I mean, you don't even need the dish soap unless it's like really bad, but warm water, and that's it. Okay, after I went heavy with the brown on all the chairs, I'm going back over it with white. This was not my original plan. I thought I could like be really light-handed with the brush, and apparently I am not very light-handed. My hands are just like my feet, which are lead feet when I'm driving. So anyways, I'm going over it with white so then I can distress it in the end. And stay tuned. It turns out so beautiful. I'm glad that it didn't actually go as planned, even though it did take a lot longer than I had hoped, and that is why this video is later than I thought it would be. But here it is, and I'm glad you guys are watching. Thank you so much for all your support, and I am just trying to take it easy, and I cannot wait to share this baby girl with you guys. I have no words for how excited I am. I just feel like I'm so blessed, and I just never thought I would have babies again. And I know what it feels like to think that and have that be a reality, because that was my reality for a while. And so my heart goes out to all mamas that can't do that anymore. And I'm sorry if maybe you won't subscribe, because it may bring up, just bad feelings of just sadness and stuff. But I don't know. It's up to you guys. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I would love for you to be here. So I would support anyone in any situation you're in. Now I've been going to distress the chair, and all I did is I got a wet rag, not like soaking wet, just like damp rag with warm water though. Actually, I used like pretty warm, like hot water. And all I do is I wiped on the edges and stuff. For the most part, I wiped on the edges. Sometimes I'll like wipe on the actual like flat part, but I usually do the edges and the corners and things like that. That was the kind of look I was trying to go for. But if you guys just rub, and you don't have to rub like too hard, this is actually kind of exhausting. This is the part that probably made it take forever, because it's just like repetitive and going over and over and over. And even though you don't have to push super hard, it's just doing it over and over for so long can be kind of can kind of be tiring, but it was really worth it. And I'm so happy that I actually pushed through and did all of this within 2 or 3 days. It took like a whole weekend. So it wasn't like the quickest, project. Obviously it took breaks in between because I'm pregnant and it's hard to keep going. But also I found out I'm anemic. For anyone that, that's right, I didn't tell you guys, because some people don't have Instagram or whatever. I have Instagram, and I went on Instagram and I told everyone that I found out I'm anemic, which wasn't really that much of a surprise, because it's like, hello, I'm tired all the time. I mean, you can put 2 and 2 together. It's not just the pregnancy. That doesn't mean you are anemic, but I was anemic with both my boys. So, anyways, where was I going with that? If you want to subscribe to my Instagram, if you have Instagram, I'll link it right here, and you can check it out. It is record104. So I will see you over there. Now I am doing the same technique that I did on the chairs to the table. The top of this table, you can't see it right now, but it is tile, so I don't even touch the top, which that was kind of a nice relief. But on the bottom, I go really, really heavy. Like, I basically paint the whole bottom like dark brown. But along the edges, I wanted it to be like a little bit lighter. But you'll see why in the end. So I painted all white over all the brown that you just seen on the table. And right now I'm distressing the table. And I didn't record the whole process, don't worry. But you get the idea. You just wet your rag and you rub where you want color to show through.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
I have paint in my hair. What's new? I am a messy painter. I get it all over everywhere. Myself. I get it all over myself and everywhere. But anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. And I hope this inspires you to maybe paint something, and instead of looking for something that's already what you want, you can change what you have and it might be cheaper. So thank you guys for watching. Wrecker. See you in the next one. Bye. Also, my baby girl is growing. Just so you guys know. I am so big though. This doesn't even look real. Like, I can't believe this is me. And the shirt just doesn't, it just doesn't like work. But it's real. So, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Bye.
Was crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.